Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scan QR codes from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, and I'll show you two methods. The first method is you go into the camera application, then on the top left you have this settings icon. Go into that, make sure that scan QR codes, this option is enabled. Then we can go back, make sure you are in the photo mode, and all you have to do is point your camera to the QR code. Bam, here it is. QR code was scanned without any issues. You can go into show options, and from here in you can either open the link or you can copy it. Now for our second method to scan a QR code using the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, we are going to use the quick setting tile. So swipe down once and then swipe down one more time to access your quick setting tiles, and as you can see we do have a few pages. Let us scroll over to the next page and you have an option of scan QR code. Select that, point it towards the QR code. Bam, here it is. You have the same options. You can either open the link or you can copy it. Now in case you do not get the quick setting tile for scan QR code, what do you do then? Well, you swipe down once, swipe down one more time, and then you have these three dots on the top right. Select those, say edit buttons, and on the bottom are your active quick setting tiles. On the top are the ones which are inactive. So scroll over here, look for the scan QR code quick setting tile, and then to add it to the active section, all you have to do is press and hold and then drag and drop it to the bottom active section and then select done, and you should be good to go with scanning QR codes using the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5.